This is the new front cargo cover for the space in front of the Colorado Camper Van top that Rob at Overland Gear Guy and myself came up with. It is a brilliant solution to contain all of your cargo in the front storage area of the Colorado camper van to be able to fully take advantage of that. And it also gives you these great pockets and tons of storage outside. Let me give you a quick tour. It attaches to the bar on top and then with metal grommets on the bottom. The grommets all have a clip, so when you're going to raise your top, you just unclip it and then raise your top and the cargo cover goes up with it. There's these two large pockets in the front. They're huge. There's also a zippered compartment within each of the front pockets. Also this zippered compartment in the front. If you look inside, there's another zippered compartment in the back. You have all these elastic webbing to attach things on the outside. Have two of those. Have all these mesh pockets with a zipper to hold all sorts of stuff. I love this brilliant idea. So you can open this up in the middle and it is perfect for an Atlas or whatever else you want. This compartment expands quite big, so you could actually put a lot of clothing, socks, underwear, whatever you want in here. It really does provide a lot of space and storage solution. When the top is up, the cargo cover will be quite high in the van, but still pretty easily accessible with your bed ladder, or you can step on a countertop and get your stuff out. Overall, it's really a brilliant solution for the storage space in the front. Let me know if you have any questions or check with Rob at overlandgearguy.com.